And what I learned, I think, these values are actually very good for working with the team that we're with, whether it's, especially for managers. I think if you have direct reports, understanding different people's values, giving them tasks that fits their value, I think there's a lot of value here.
And yeah, I mean, what I learned today is that we all share very meaningful values together, and it gives me a lot of hope that we can solve a lot of problems together if we tap into it.
The importance of workshops. It's important to do these workshops, I think, and to share with one another who are in the same, even if you come from different industries, you're in the same predicament, I think. And it's important.
So I learned, to be honest, I learned a lot today, and I learned that it's important to, come out of your comfort zone and join, this workshop. Because I don't personally, I'm very introverted, if you might say. So I'm quite surprised with myself that I was able to express with others in this workshop. So I learned that it's important.
Yeah, definitely learned that there's a lot about myself that that's not too clear, that needs to be clarified. And as the saying goes, you don't know what you don't know until you come across a situation. So I think if you asked me before the workshop, I would have said, yeah, I know my values, and then now, I think there are a lot of things that I need to clarify internally with myself. But this workshop has given me that that insight that there's more to there's more to my values that need to be explored, and so yeah.
That's what I learned today, basically. So starting tomorrow, find things how to help other people and help myself, and continue doing it.